Okay, I'm going to share something with you today. I've watched a number of things on how to make a center pull ball from a hank of yarn. I'm going to show you what I did for years up until I finally got a Swift and ball winder. Seriously, I only did that maybe 3 or 4 years ago, and it was like manna from heaven. So, this is how I do it. I make a slip knot, trusty old slip knot. And then, because I do have quite a bit, I just ripped something out. Put it over my wrist, like that. And then go to town on my fingers, like that. And then whenever I have something large enough to hold on to, put my thumb in the middle, start going, turning, going at an angle around the outside. Got a mess over here. Just keep going around and around. And at an angle, it gives you a better ball shape. No, actually, it'll set flatter. It's not going to set flat, but it'll set flatter. Like if you have it down in your bag or something, um, stay in shape. Okay, and then whenever you're all done, take it off your wrist. If you're saving it for later, hook your slip knot down in there, and you have a center pull. That's it. That's my handy dandy for today. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, and comments are always welcome. Thank you.